this video I'm going to show you how to install tools or libraries in Houdini. Probably you found a very cool and useful node on Gumroad and you download it. Probably the extension of the node that you downloaded is .hda. To manually install a Houdini Digital Asset, the most simple way is you should go into your Houdini preference folder, which is located inside the Documents folder and the Houdini version that you are using. If you haven't installed a custom node yet, you just need to create a new folder called OTLS and copy the node inside of it. After copy the node, you just need to open Houdini. Once Houdini is open, you can just press the Tab key and search for your node. The node that I installed belongs to the object network, which means that I can find it here directly by just typing the composition guides. And this asset is an asset that helps me to create some guides in Viewport to make my composition. But often you will find a library of toolsets for Houdini. A good place to start finding some libraries is here on the SideFX website. You can mouse over on the products and then click on the Partners section. Here you will find some compatible render engines with Houdini and some other things. If you scroll down until the end, you will find this section called Tools and Assets, which are different types of libraries that you can use with Houdini. The library that I recommend most is MOPs. Let's check the MOPs toolset. MOPs means Motion Operators for Houdini. It's an open source Houdini toolkit for motion designer and visual effects artists. Don't get confused by the name. MOPs can be very useful for a lot of things rather than motion design. To be able to install MOPs, we just need to click on the GitHub icon. Most of the Houdini libraries are stored in GitHub, which is a repository website of different types of tool developments. Here you can check multiple information about MOPs, like the wiki, a Discord server, and so on. For now, just click on the releases. Here you can download between the experimental version of MOPs or the latest stable version. Let's download the stable release. Just click on it and click on the source code. After extract everything from the zip file, most of the library contains a file with the JSON extension. This file is called the package, and the package file is the one that is used to Houdini to point to the library that I am installing. You can open the package file with any text editor. Most of the package file has the same structure, where you will find a section where the package is defining an environment variable, and also a section where this variable is added into the Houdini system path. The only thing that we need to do is replace the example path with the current directory path where my library is located. So I can just delete this path, copy the path where my library is located, and place it here. One important thing is that you always need to replace the backslashes with forward slashes. I can do that very easily with Windsurf by pressing Ctrl H and replace the slashes. After you update your path, you can just save the package file. Once your package file is ready, you just need to copy into the Houdini preference folder. If you doesn't have a package folder yet, you can just manually create it and paste your package file inside, and you are ready to open Houdini. Once Houdini is open, you can check if the installation is correctly done. MOPs is a toolset that belongs mostly in subs. I can just create a geometry node and here press the Tab key and search for MOPs nodes. And as you can see here, MOPs is correctly installed. You can use this method to install anything in Houdini, and there are some libraries that might have some custom steps. And last but not least, I have a better method that I want to show you on the next video.